magtrabaho sa hotel, sa barko, habang nagtatravel?
So, paano nga ba?
You know, sa hospitality management, hindi lang skills ang hinuhubog, kundi yung future mo.
Be professional to your guests. Gain confidence and converse with others.
Learn to cook and serve world-class dishes.
Dati nangangarap lang ako. Ngayon, inihahanda ko na ang sarili ko para sa future.
Check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay. On the street and I got my swag on. Okay. Get the money, gotta get my bag on. Okay. Triple.
Choose Hospitality Management.